Hey viewers, good morning and welcome back to my new vlog. It's snowing, my most favorite thing ever. That's why I wanna share this beautiful moment with you. Today's weather temperature is -7. It's so cold here in Germany that you can't believe it unless you see in your own eyes. Look at the houses and see how the snow covered the roof. Let's go outside. I'm so excited to see the snow. I'm in the car now. My dad is driving. Whatever, see how beautiful the outside view is. All is covered in snow. Guys, I wanna take a lot of pictures right now, but it's not possible because I'm sitting in the moving car now. Look at the beautiful trees. All the trees turned white for snow. So guys, I have to go now. That's all for today. I hope you all like this video. I don't know how much joy I have given you, but I tried my best. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to leave a comment or feedback and share with your friends. I'm leaving here for today. Bye. Kind of dress you're wearing tonight. If he's giving it to you just right, the way I did before.